Alright, so it's time to celebrate. We've just built our first website. We've got a 3-page website going here, all built in style sheets, no tables. We're keeping it nice and clean. We can continue to add to this. And one thing I want to show you that I did not show you in the last video is the reason that we put all this stuff within the external style sheets. Open that back up in Dreamweaver. Because I'm in Dreamweaver, I can switch over to styles right here. Because of having this all in an external style sheet, I can just as easily make one change. Let's go ahead and change that color of the sidebar. Make a nice aqua color. Aqua, it's fun to say. Save. And now, if I hit refresh, that's blue, or aqua color. But the power of it, you can see, is that it affected every single page. So again, the instance that I was using of Amazon.com, if they wanted to make a change to their website, they only need to update one style sheet, and it'll update the entire website because they're using external style sheets. So there's a time and place for everything. The other thing that I promised you was that I'll show you where to find more information on all these different attributes, these different properties within a style sheet. There are a lot of them. I've been doing this for nearly 20 years now, and I don't have all of them memorized. I know some of the very basic ones. I know a lot of them, but again, there's a lot of them I still have to look up every time that I need to use them or know how to use them properly because there's so many different little intricacies and nuances to each of them. So what I like to do is either within the HTML editor that I'm using, and again, most of these work the same, I can say something like background, just start typing and you're going to see a whole list of all the different things that come within there. Maybe I wanted to do background image. And within background image, you can see that there's all different attributes that you can apply within there. So first of all, using your HTML editing program may be a good way to learn some of these things. If you really wanted to get a deeper dive into understanding how to use these properly, I always recommend w3schools.com. They have information on all the basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all the basic scripting languages, and you can see, let's say padding. They give examples, they give the properties, how to use them, the different attributes that you can add within them. You can add pixels, percentages, all the different kinds of stuff there. Again, they show you how to properly lay this out. They usually show you the browsers that things work in it. If it's maybe a newer attribute within CSS or HTML, maybe it won't work in all browsers, but it gives you working examples and it lays it out very simply and cleanly. So I highly suggest if you have any questions, go to w3schools.com or check out some of our other videos within the website.